In this video, we'll explore why cigars taste the way they do, specifically relating to how they are harvested and how that affects the flavor profile. Welcome to Cigars.com, the cigar industry's online marketplace for premium, small batch cigars delivered right to your door. When it comes to harvesting the tobaccos that will eventually be used to create premium cigars, there are two basic methods, the first being leaf priming and the second being stalk cutting. Let's start with the more common, popular method today, which is called leaf priming. The tobaccos that make up a premium cigar are derived from different primings. Priming when discussing tobacco refers to different sections of leaves on a tobacco plant. The number of primings varies, but 6 is the average. The first priming is found closest to the bottom of the tobacco plant. The 6th is going to be closest to the top. The higher the priming, the stronger the tobacco, thus the stronger taste. The 3 main sections of a tobacco plant from the top to the bottom are the ligero, the seco, and volado. They are further broken down, adding sandleaf, viso, and corona. Tobacco plants also grow flowers, which are at the top of the plant. These are normally pruned to draw in more nutrients to the rest of the plant for thicker, healthier leaves, while also limiting the exposure to bugs. So when field workers are priming the tobacco plants, they start at the very bottom and go in between the different rows and snap off the leaves from the plant stalk, working from the bottom up in groups of 3 leaves at a time. Field workers know when the tobacco leaves are maturing because the green color starts to get a little lighter and the tip of the leaf begins to bend. The higher you go on a plant, there's going to be 3 main things that are changing. First, the leaf colors are going to go from lighter to darker, while the flavor and strength are going to go from mellow to full, as well as more combustible to less combustible. This is why the volado portion is commonly used in fillers because, you gotta light that thing up for a nice smoke, while the ligero is used tighter on the inside. The second most popular harvesting technique is called stalk cutting. Stalk cutting used to be the most popular harvesting method, but today is overall much less common. This entails harvesting the entire tobacco plant at once by cutting really close to the bottom. Stalk cutting methods were originally developed in areas where labor was either very expensive or scarce, or for small independent growers who counted on their family to help them harvest. During the curing process, the stalks are draped over long sticks and dried outdoor for 24 hours, then moved to curing barns. One advantage of stalk cutting is that by having the entire stalk intact, it helps to fortify and feed the leaves while they're air curing. During the air curing process, the stalks are draped over long sticks and dried outdoors for around 24 hours, then moved into curing barns. So there you go. Next time you go and smoke a stove with a friend, you're gonna be able to be like, did you know that the most common harvesting method is called leaf priming? And if you continue to want to learn more about cigars and you like this video, we ask you to like and subscribe to the channel to get all the weekly updates. And if you just love cigars, you love connecting with great people who also love cigars, we invite you to join the Cigar Club. This is a free online Facebook community that connects cigar lovers from around the world to discuss our hobby, share reviews, and defend our right to enjoy a good smoke with good people. A cigar with friends is a commitment of your time to connect, de-stress, and relax. Thank you for sharing some of your time with me.